Hi and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the IC-800050 data logging indoor air quality meter. Poor air quality may cause tiredness, inability to concentrate and even illness. The IC-800050 is ideal for measuring indoor air quality in crowded public spaces with potentially high levels of CO2, for example in offices, factories, classrooms, hospitals and hotels. In addition to measuring CO2 levels, this meter also measures air temperature, relative humidity, dew point and wet bulb temperature. On the meter, you can record minimum and maximum recordings and adjust the CO2 audible alarm level. Using the software, you can log up to 32,000 data points of temperature, relative humidity and carbon dioxide. In the box there's an instruction manual, power adapter, USB cable, 6 AAA batteries, a zip closed carry bag, and the data logging indoor air quality meter. The meter features the sensor on top, a large multi-level LCD, 7 buttons. These are hold, power, mode, max min, set, unit, adjust. The sides are rubberized for grip. There's a power port on one side and a USB port on the other side. A tripod thread on the base and the battery compartment on the back. To get started, install the 6 AAA batteries. Switch the meter on by pressing the power button. The meter will warm up briefly, then a CO2 reading will be displayed. Due to the CO2 NDIR sensor, it takes approximately 10 minutes to get stable readings. Let's run over some of the basic functions. This meter automatically records minimum and maximum CO2 levels. To view the minimum and maximum readings while in measurement mode, press the min-max button one time to display the maximum recorded readings. Pressing the min-max button a second time will display the minimum recorded reading, and a third press will return you to measurement mode. The meter defaults to display CO2 levels along with the relative humidity and temperature. The relative humidity and temperature interchange below the CO2 reading. You can also view the dew point and wet bulb temperature. To do so, press mode one time and dew point will display. Press mode a second time to view wet bulb, and a third press will return you to relative humidity and the temperature. To conserve battery life, the meter will automatically turn off after 15 minutes of non-use. To disable the auto power off function, do the following. Turn the meter off. Press and hold the hold button, then press and release the power button. N will show on the screen and the meter will turn on. Each time you turn the meter off, it will return to the default auto off of 15 minutes. So, each time you need to use the meter for longer than 15 minutes, perform this task. Last of all, the CO2 alarm. The default CO2 alarm setting is 1000 parts per million. To change the value, press set for 3 seconds. Press the hold key to increase and the adjust key to decrease the value of each digit. Use mode to use left and min-max to move right between the digits. Once the alarm level has been adjusted to your intended level, press and hold set to save the changes. The screen will flash save, then return to normal. When the CO2 alarm is on, the bell icon will show next to the CO2 reading. When the threshold has been reached, the audible beeping will commence. That's what's in the box and how to navigate the IC-800050 data logging indoor air quality meter. To watch a video demonstration on how to set up this meter on the Datalogger software, or to speak with an instrument choice scientist about this meter, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.